Good morning. It's been 6 days already of January 2026. Wow. Today I'm here in the garden. I'm going to harvest few of turnips roots. Turnip root is perfect for chicken tinola or chicken soup. I'm going to get more. Oh, this is nice one. And this is big roots. Hi, Mango Boy. Where have you been? Huh? Turnips is a winter plant. They are frost resistant. And this one here is sweet potato. The died is dry already. It's because of frost. And this one here is mustard. See? Mustard is winter plant too. And this one is collards green. Some bug it the leaves. And here is celery. Celery is a winter plant also, and I harvested here already thrice, and they're still growing. They grew back up. And this one here are they're growing now. Wow, this is carrots. They're big carrots. Carrots also is a winter plant. Yeah, you don't have to worry if it's a strong frost below 20. They're frost resistance. See, and here how many I have one, 2, 3, 4 plants of carrots. And here I have here garlic. See, that's garlics, 1 plots of garlic. And here they look so good. This one here called Morris Hidden cabbage, kind of collards. See, they look like cabbage, but they're collards. This one here is collards. That one is collards. That one is collards too. See, they're frost resistant. The taste of this Morris cabbage is just similar with the green collard. See how healthy they are. This one, guys, we did not use chemical. They are all organic. So even it's winter here in Alabama, Southeast Alabama, I still enjoy gardening because we only have a strong frost, sometimes below 20 Fahrenheit. But that kind of plant is they are frost fighter. And also this scallion or green onions, they're also frost resistant. You have nothing to worry about winter. You can still enjoy gardening in the winter season with this plant. See? And also calamansi or citrus tree. See, even it's winter, still bearing fruits. See, that's calamansi or citrus family of lemon. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope I helped if what kind of plant is good for winter. So next winter season, if you want to enjoy gardening, you can plant like this, like what I did. I'm still enjoying the gardening even it is winter season, and I really like vegetables. My day is not complete without vegetables. Thank you so much guys. Thank you. If you're new in our channel, Yan Gems TV, please kindly subscribe, likes. Thank you. God bless us all. Happy New Year from Yan Gems TV.